Here is Nahkurinkatu 21, staircase B in Kerava, Charvo.
Asuntoskeittiö Salpalahna.
Helsinki, Helsingfors region, Finland. Let's ride this elevator. Amazing. ValmetSchlieren built in 1980. VS 5897. It's going to be inspected in 2020, the next year, when it's turning 40 years old. And it has 7 floors. 2 rides.
Yeah.
Amazing find. Today is the 10th of August 2019. And it has some floors.
Yeah. Kiva inspektera meidän paikkaan.
Oh, it was another floor. I thought it was stopping on 5. I really have to try to come here on the 30th of August to film the classic elevators in the Kerava city center.
Yeah.
We'll try that. I hope we'll succeed. If not, then in September.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you for watching.
That's it.